Welcome to Product Critique, and today we're diving into the best indoor electric smokeless grill, the Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill GR101. If you've been craving that smoky, grilled flavor, but you don't have a backyard, this might just be the perfect solution for you. Let's get into the features that make this grill stand out. The Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill is a 14-inch electric grill that gives you the power of a traditional grill but in the comfort of your kitchen. One of the standout features of this grill is its high heat capability, reaching up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can achieve those perfect charred grill marks on steaks, burgers, and veggies just like you would on an outdoor grill. The temperature control ensures you can easily adjust the heat to suit your cooking needs, from a light sear to a full char. The unique thing about this grill is its interchangeable grill and griddle plates. You can quickly switch between grilling your favorite meats and vegetables, or flip over to the flat-top griddle plate to make pancakes, eggs, and more. Whether you're cooking up a savory breakfast or a sizzling dinner, this grill has you covered for any meal of the day. One of the biggest challenges of indoor grilling is smoke, but Ninja has designed this unit to minimize that issue. The perforated mesh lid and high walls with grease catches help reduce splatter and smoke, so you can cook without worrying about your kitchen filling up with too much smoke. The low smoke feature makes this indoor grill perfect for apartments or anyone who doesn't want to deal with the mess of outdoor grilling. Even better, the Ninja Griddle is family-sized. The 14-inch grill plate fits up to 6 burgers or pancakes, making it ideal for families or dinner parties. And cleanup is a breeze. The removable non-stick plates are dishwasher safe, and the mesh lid can also be detached and washed, ensuring a hassle-free experience every time you cook. Another key feature is the versatility of the hood. You can cook with the hood up for direct heat grilling or lower the lid to retain heat. Perfect for melting cheese or keeping your food warm while you finish cooking the rest. Whether you're grilling steaks or searing salmon, this grill has the flexibility to handle it all. At $139.95, it provides great value for its performance and ease of use. The Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill is the perfect way to bring the outdoor grilling experience inside, no matter the weather. It's compact, efficient, and built for easy cooking and cleaning, making it a must-have for any home cook looking to elevate their indoor grilling game. So, if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, the Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill could be exactly what you need. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you've tried this product or have any questions about it. Happy grilling, and I'll see you next time.